Hi, my name's Chris. I work at the Street Health Centre in Kingston. I'm actually a public health employee, so even though I work out of Kingston, I work for Kingston, Frontenac, Lennox, and Addington Health Units, so the catchment area can be fairly large. I've been there 19 years. I worked in construction and I got injured in '78, and they took half my disc out and went back to work, and they took the other half of my disc out and they said I couldn't work in that field anymore. They did all this testing and it came up like medicine and workman's comp's going, not likely and that. And they got down to social work, and I was so tired. I said, I don't care. So I graduated from social work, and we're going down the street in Toronto, and we walk by the welfare office, and my buddy says, let's go apply for a job there. And I said, I'm never fucking going to be a welfare worker. 18 years later, 5 in Toronto and 13 in Kingston. When I was in construction, you learned how to use your hammer and saw. Well, if you're a welfare worker, the only thing you really have to work with is the law. And so I would have people who would make somebody ineligible because the only page of the Welfare Act they read was maybe the first page. We're on page, so I got very good at being able to help people without breaking the law get more money. Society has decided who's valuable, who's not. We've seen a drastic change since the 80s where Kingston used to have the spinner's factory. You could have a grade 10 education and feed a family of 3. It's closed. Renfrew had the Coca-Cola bottle. And now we penalize these people who want to work. This whole concept that people want to be on welfare, want to be on ODSP, they don't want a handout. The job chose you. You may have, like I became a welfare worker, never meaning to be a welfare worker, and you got to help people and got to treat them with respect and dignity, and you come here and any pre-assumed judgments soon got washed away, or you don't stay in the job. So there's people who will sometimes come down to the job and won't last. One of the things we say, I'm an outreach worker, so one of the comments I say is, you can dress like a cowboy, you can look like a cowboy, but you're not a cowboy.